English speaking practice. म यहाँ छु. I am here. I am here. छिटो आऊ. Come fast. Come fast. कति राम्रो सुझाव हो. What an idea. What an idea. के को लागि. What for. What for. के कारण हो. What is the reason. What is the reason. होइन, पटक्कै होइन. No, not at all. No, not at all. म बुझ्दछु. I understand. I understand. कति फोहोर. How dirty. How dirty. कस्तो राम्रो. How sweet. How sweet. बाहिर जाऊ. Get out. Get out. भर्खर आउँदैछु. Just coming. Just coming. जस्तो तपाईको इच्छा. As you wish. As you wish. ध्यान राख्नु. Take care. Take care. के त. So what. So what. भोलि भेटौँला. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. घर जाऊ. Go home. Go home. चिन्ता नलिऊ. Never mind. Never mind. मलाई जान दिऊ. Let me go. Let me go. मेरो कुरा सुन. Listen to me. Listen to me. तपाईँ कहाँबाट हो. Where are you from. Where are you from. के म अब जाऊँ. Shall I go now. Shall I go now. मुख सम्हालेर बोल. Mind your words. Mind your words. आफ्नो कामसँग मतलब राख. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. तिमी आजसम्म कहाँ थियौ. Where were you all this while. Where were you all this while. Thank you.